Blasian Family smiles.
We're gonna check out a brand new Japanese subway train that was released in our city just last month. It was rainy and we went out to JR station, went to Kyoto, and now we're gonna go and check for the Karasuma line. Are we at what station? Kyoto station, waiting for the train. So if it comes on this side, or it comes on this side, so waiting for the new train, like real train geeks. One's coming. What's it gonna be? It's an old one. We're just waiting. We've been here for a few minutes. Just wait. Another train is coming. It's another old one. Okay. How do you feel? Are you okay? You still wanna wait? Okay. Aww. Been waiting just about 15 minutes. How many trains have gone past?
Like 6.
Think it's gonna be it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright, let's see. I hope so.
Maybe.
Maybe. Who knows?
It's coming soon.
Yeah? Next train?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. Wow. The sound of the train or the sound of the music?
The sound of the train.
You can tell by the sound of the horn. So what sound is it?
Like the car.
The beep, that sounds like a car?
Yeah.
And the other one sounds like? Can you make it?
Music.
Like music? Like what?
Like music.
Like what?
Like music.
Oh, I see. Keep waiting?
Yeah.
You know when you've been in Japan too long. Is the train coming? We've changed where we're sitting. Yes,
Look
train's
at
coming.
here, look at here. Just Daddy, wait. It's coming.
Oh no! It's there somewhere.
I want to go to Nara.
12:17. We've waited for ages. You haven't seen the train yet, right? And time's actually running out. So you can wait for a few more, okay? Like 20 minutes. Alright? Hopefully we'll see it. My wife just sent me a train thing and it says the train's gonna come at 5. I'm gonna go home and maybe they can come another day. Bye.
Bye. This is...
So last time we went to see the train, right? But
Yeah.
we didn't see them. My wife, she told us there's a schedule. So we found a schedule and we're going back again. So we only have like half an hour to get there. So we need to move. Let's go. You ready? Okay, let's go. Bye.
Not true.
Baby wants to be carried. You know where we're going?
See Karasuma new train.
7線をご利用のお客様につきましては、次の
So we're here again. Coming soon, right?
2番乗り場到着の電車、四条烏丸池北大路方面国際開港行きです。阪急線は2つ先四条で、地下鉄東海線は3つ先烏丸駅で乗り換えです。
Give us a minute. Ready? Let's go through this door. It's empty. The normal one, just one. So it's sort of double one. That is clean bus. Go to the front, quick, quick, quick. Dash. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to. Did you enjoy that?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go home. We did it. Inside. Yay. Finally. So we just got back from seeing the train. Did you enjoy it?
Yes.
Cool. So we tried 2 times, but you got it. Are you happy?
Yes.
What did we see? What train did we see?
Train. We saw train.
Other videos, subscribe. Bye.